Hello everyone, I'm Marixa Guadalupe Rivas, and this video I will share with you some tips about we can tackle the environment, since the environment gets worse every day due to the misuse that we are giving to some resources. One way where we can tackle the environment is to take care of water. How? With things easy. For example, don't run the water when you brush your teeth, and take shorter shower. How long is your shower on average? Well, our shower should be in 5 minutes. If you do that, you can save 25 gallons of water. And one more tip is don't eat meat or eat less meat, and fix leaky faucets. We should pay attention in these kind of problems to help the environment, and don't throw garbage on the streets or rivers, etc. The other way to help the environment is in the way we normally use paper. To take care of these resources, the tips are plant trees, recycle plastic, paper and plastic, and of course use the paper with a great responsibility. And remember, the small changes can make a big difference. Thank you for your attention.